LNS catalog number 94215.
And finally, I get that vocalization that I wanted. It's a red-winged blackbird, male. Closest approach was 80 feet. It seemed like the closer I got, he was starting to do that vocalization louder. There was a greater increase in the level than what there should have been just for getting 120 to 80 feet. Audrey Carroll Wildlife Sanctuary, Frederick County, Maryland, February the 27th, 1998 at 16:43 hours. Must be something like 13 degrees C. It's right around 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Partly to mostly cloudy and all but calm. Using a 30-inch or parabola sennheiser, image 62, the Sony TCD, temper 2 with the tie pass filter on.
Stand up. Look up. Sway a moment. Slowly sink, hands reach to ground. Palms embrace. Arm comes up overhead to cradle.